Hi everybody, this is Mary and Glen. We are in Fort Lauderdale at Kelly's Landing, New England Seafood. We have been to the one in Celebration. And here it is. Watch the Red Sox and Patriots game here with us. The specials are scallops au gratin, lobster bomb, lobster soup.
Sorry about that.
Here we go.
That kind of figure, maybe like put our names and yeah, go straight ahead, put your name in something.
No, I know, but yeah, it's so quiet compared to.
In the very back, here is the bar area of Kelly's Landing. Happy Saturday. Here are the specials: Maine lobster tails, lobster au gratin, lobster bisque, peach strawberry champagne cocktail, get the phone. Okay, here we go. Here's the Patriot.
Then I started to be New Year, and I said the university's off for New Year. They obviously after
Let me get started. I'll be right back.
Okay, here are the sports teams: the Patriots, the Red Sox, the Celtics, and the Bruins. Okay, everybody, here is the menu. The history is it has been our goal to preserve the tradition of South Boston and continue to serve the freshest New England seafood in the same pleasant atmosphere since 1987. This menu features traditional dishes with new items guaranteed to please every palate. Mark is from Eastie. Please join us for a commemorative experience. As always, we look forward to the comments and suggestions. All right, so the appetizers, here are the menu. When I come here or Celebration Tavern, I always get the fried scallops. And the onion rings are wonderful. I am going to turn over the menu. Thank you.
Hide Mark as quick as possible.
New England rolls and sandwiches. You can buy some of the hot dog rolls for $8. The difference is that they split in the front. Smaller plates from the garden. They do have on a Sunday and Saturday, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Join us for our famous lobster egg benedict, served with home fries, fresh fruit. And they have mimosas with that. Here are the desserts.
Yeah, I know what I'm at.
Kids, there's the fluffernutter sandwich. And that is the
How about you?
menu.
There's all kinds of.
Look at this sticker.
whatever you
Their merchandise. Our onion rings have arrived. Yummo.
Oh, there it is. Put it in the mouth. Here you are.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh, oh, oh.
Don't touch your food.
This is my scallop roll. Look at this. I got tater tot, extra tartar sauce. Glen got fish and chips. Our onions are almost over. Glen got fish and chips. Mark got blackened chicken. Alice got scrod and a baked potato. All right, manja. Let's go.